Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Part A, by the fundamental theorem of calculus, g' of x equals f of x. We see f of x is less than or equal to 0 on the interval 1 to 3, so g decreases on 1 to 3. Part B. X in the interval -1 to 0, the graph of f is a line with constant slope. Zero minus -1 equals 1. Thus, g double prime of -1/2 equals f prime of -1/2, which is 1. Part C.
Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.